Do you feel bored and demotivated when studying for so many hours every single day? Just a thought about this thing, just a thought about studying for 3 hours, it might demotivate you, because learning a foreign language, it takes so much effort. So basically in this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 reasons why you need to divide your long study sessions into short periods of time, into short focus sessions of 20 to 25 minutes. There are 3 reasons to that. The first reason is that there is a retention reset. Once you take a break for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, there is an attention reset. If you do something else, if you take a break for 10 minutes, your attention resets. And there are scientific studies that prove that. There are scientific studies that prove that on average, people are able to focus only for about 20 minutes. Of course, I personally think that I'm able to focus for a much longer time than 20 minutes, but on average, people are able to focus for 20 minutes. And even if you have a crazy confidence like me that you are able to focus for a longer time, after 20 or 30 minutes, your focus will still fade away and you won't be as effective as you could be if you would have taken a break. So this is the first reason, retention reset. The second reason why you need to divide your long study sessions into short focus periods of time when you study into those short focus study sessions is that basically I call it subliminal learning. What subliminal learning means is that when taking those short breaks for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or even 1 hour, your brain kind of relearns the information. Your brain relearns the information. You can check out the book about this subliminal learning effect, which is called Where Good Ideas Come From. So when we sleep, our brain kind of relearns the information, our subconscious mind relearns the information, and this is why you need to take those short breaks, because even during a 10-minute break, your brain will relearn the information without you even noticing it. The third reason is the effect of primacy and recency. Well, what does primacy and recency mean? It means that during let's say we study for 3 hours, we memorize more information, we're more focused during the first 10 to 20 minutes. And also we're able to memorize more things, we're more likely to memorize things during the last 10 to 20 minutes. So basically, primacy, it means at the beginning of our study sessions, we memorize more and we have better attention. And at the end of our study sessions, due to different reasons, we're also able to memorize much more information. And if you want to improve this effect of primacy and recency, you don't study for 3 hours in one sitting. You divide your long study session into short study sessions, what this video is about obviously, and you increase the time of those primacy and recency periods. So basically, if you study for 3 hours in one sitting, you have just one period of primacy and one period of recency. Let's say you take like 6 20-minute sessions. In this case, you would have 12 periods of primacy and recency. This is how you can accelerate your learning. This is how you can basically improve the quality of your learning and your memorization power. There is no magic pill when it comes to learning. However, if you apply all those principles from my videos, from my 17 steps program, if you apply all the advices that I give you in my videos, you'll be able to create a snowball effect, and your learning will be improved by like 10x. So basically, you'll be a hyper learner when it comes to learning a foreign language or learning any other thing, because you are able to apply all those principles. Those are scientifically proven principles. They're not only proven scientifically, but also they are proven with my own experience, with the experience of my students. And I hope that you apply them. If you want to know more about those principles that I've been teaching and basically I've been helping my students with, check out my 17 steps program. You click the link down below, watch the free training. If you like the training, you might be able to consider to enroll. And I hope that this video was motivating for you. And as always, until next time.